we are going to solve 3 geometry questions using the distance formula. The distance between 2 points x1, y1 and x2. y2 is the square root of left parenthesis x2 minus x1 right parenthesis squared plus left parenthesis y2 minus y1 right parenthesis squared. Problem 1. Show that the points P with coordinates -3, -4, Q with coordinates 2, 6, and R with coordinates 0, 2 are collinear. We'll verify by distances, and the idea that on a straight line, the longest distance equals the sum of the other two. Let's plot the points and connect them. Now compute each distance using the distance formula. First P question, the square root of 5 squared plus 10 squared, which is 5 square root 5. Next Q R, the square root of -2 squared plus -4 squared, which is 2 square root 5. Next P R, the square root of 3 squared plus 6 squared, which is 3 square root 5. Check the straight line condition. 2 square root 5 plus 3 square root 5 equals 5 square root 5. So the points are collinear. Problem 2. Show that A with coordinates -1, 0, B with coordinates 1, 0, and N with coordinates 0, square root 3 are not collinear. Let's plot them and connect to see the triangle. Compute each distance with the distance formula. AB equals 2, AN equals 2, BN equals 2. Since 2 plus 2 does not equal 2, the 3 points are not collinear. In fact, all 3 sides are equal, so they form an equilateral triangle. Problem 3. Show that L with coordinates 0, square root 3, M with coordinates -1, 0, and N with coordinates 1, 0 form an equilateral triangle. Let's plot and connect the triangle. Compute each side length. LM equals 2, MN equals 2, LN equals 2. All 3 sides are equal, so triangle LMN is equilateral. Summary. We used the distance formula to test collinearity by checking if the longest distance equals the sum of the other two, and we showed a triangle is equilateral if all 3 side lengths match.